In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in ActiveCampaign. This is a really useful feature for organizing your information, whether it's marketing campaigns, contacts, or various tasks within the platform. Labels can help you categorize and find information more easily. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the settings. You can find the settings menu located in the bottom left corner of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. It's easily identifiable, usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking here is your entry point into customizing various parts of your ActiveCampaign experience, including creating labels. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. You're looking for the section labeled Labels. Click on this to move forward. This section is where you can view and manage all your existing labels, giving you an overview of how you're categorizing your information currently. More importantly, it's where you can add new labels, which is exactly what we're about to do. Now, find the button that says Create Label. It's your gateway to organizing your data further, and clicking on it will open a new set of options. This is where you'll give your new label a name and a color, two elements that will help you quickly identify and differentiate your labels at a glance. Choosing the right name is important for ensuring clarity and recall later on. Make it descriptive enough that you or your team can understand its purpose instantly. Next, you'll choose a color for your label. This may seem like a purely cosmetic detail, but it's actually a very functional part of the system. Associating specific colors with different types of data allows you to quickly identify label categories visually without having to read text. Pick colors that stand out and complement your organization system. It'll definitely make managing your campaigns and contacts much smoother. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a label in ActiveCampaign. It's that simple. This new label is now ready to be used for organizing your various tasks, campaigns, or contacts in a way that enhances your workflow and productivity. As you continue to use ActiveCampaign, you'll find these labels indispensable for keeping everything neatly categorized and accessible. That's all there is to it. Labels in ActiveCampaign are a small feature that packs a big punch when it comes to organization and efficiency. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore more ways to optimize your ActiveCampaign experience. Until next time, happy organizing.